Oh, hey, didn't see you there. My name's Dr. Bearclaw, MD, and I am a forest specialist. I'll be your guide through this beautiful, extensive forest in north central Vermont. I hope that you enjoy this time. Come on! Oh, hey there. Didn't see you. We are standing in the forest, one of nature's oldest creations. Millions of trillions of kinds of trees span this forest of the great biome of Vermont. We got birches, maples, and that's it. This tree right here, this is a very rare tree. It's an orange oak. If you look up in the leaves, you'll see they're definitely not maple. They're oak, not maple, despite what all of you think. This is an oak tree. All right, let's keep going. This here is a dead tree. We mourn for these trees when we see them, but it's all part of the circle of life. This here is a living tree. Love the living trees. This is a native green-tail leaf. This is a root, but if you look at the shape of it, you can see from where the root goes, this tree is actually from 100 miles away. It's a very big tree. Don't catch it, catch up. I'm the king of the world! I love forests. No one can hear you scream. We now approach a crossroads. Which way will we go?
And now we're back with Which Way Will We Go, the totally interactive game show where we decide where we go. Will we go left? It's all up to you. You have the free will to decide this. You really change the course of the episodes with this decision.
This way.
Dr. Bearclaw,
Yes.
look at that.
What? I don't see anything.
Look at that thing.
What are you looking at?
See that thing?
What are we? Oh, the structure. Yeah, oh, yes. This here, get a close look at this. You want to look closely at this. This is a very interesting structure. It is more advanced than any skyscraper or home we have today. Oh, crap. There's sewage in there. Maybe. Running water, electricity, they use solar. And so this was created by the local natives, the natives from this area. You can see by their sticks, their designs on the sticks, as you see there. Those are 4 million years old. This is all true what I'm saying. No need to fact check it. This is... You'll never see anything like this again. This is beautiful. Can't believe we found one of these in the woods. This is a This is an ionic volcano rock from South America. Travels here all the way on a glacier. If you look here, you can see the distinct lines of the Incan drawings from their ancient Incan ways. And you can look here, see the bullet holes from when the Spanish conquistadors attacked them. Wait, don't wait.
Dr. Bearclaw. What are you doing?
Here we have a sign tree, one native to northeastern North America. This one is a dog-person sign tree, a specific genus that grows only in Battelle Woods, along paths. This plant is coveted in communities all across the world. It is said to be able to cure any disease you have. All you have to do is crunch it up and eat it.
Hey, could we get some help? Hey, he's dying. This guy's, hey!